ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, you see the great things that people do.
Hi, welcome back to another episode. I do hope that you're all keeping safe. Today, I just want to give a basic overview of the structure of the virus and why it is so important to wash our hands with soap. So stay tuned. Okay, so a virus is made up of DNA or RNA enclosed in a protein shell. Some viruses has an additional external layer called an envelope, which is made up of lipids, what we know as fats. So it's very important to note that not all viruses come with this external lipid layer. However, the coronavirus in particular has this outer external lipid layer. Now, the last video that I did, I explained to you on how the virus invades your body and you become a host in that situation. Now, what the virus does, in order to reproduce, it invades its host cell and reprograms it to become a virus-making factory. Think of how mind-blowing that is, right? As little a virus that you literally cannot see, something that small, can have such an effect on your cells. That alone should be enough for you to want to protect yourself. Now, this goes to show how important it is to wash your hands, and not just with water, but with soap. Okay, so earlier I made a reference to the structure of the virus. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. I really want us to have a better understanding as to what takes place when we wash our hands with soap. So let's take into consideration a butter dish. So let's say the coronavirus is the butter dish that is covered with the butter, right? Now you're trying to wash this dish with water alone. What will happen? Well, you will still have grease remaining on that dish. Now, what you need is the soap to break down that grease. Once this grease has been broken down, the dish is squeaky clean. Now we can safely say that it's a relatively similar reaction that takes place when we wash our hands. The soap breaks down the external lipid layer of the virus and physically inactivates it, which means that it is incapable of binding to and entering the host. Given that information, don't you just want to wash your hands right now? But wait, there's more. It is required for you to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. So you can sing your favorite song while you're washing your hands, or you can set a timer if needed and make sure that you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. It can be for more, but at least 20 seconds. And make sure that you get between those nails, get between those fingers. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to share. You're never too old to learn, and you're never too young to teach. Remember, spread the knowledge, not the virus.